Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do a chicken stir fry on the Blackstone Griddle for you guys today. I'm going back out to the Blackstone. I got a couple pounds of dark meat chicken thighs. You could use white meat chicken breast if you want. I'm just going to cut those into thin strips and marinate that. And let me show you the ingredients we got. Like I said, a couple pounds of chicken thighs. So I'm going to show you guys how I prep this up. So got a couple bell peppers here. Got some scallions or green onions. Serrano peppers for a little bit of spice. Snow peas, a little bit of ginger and some garlic I'm gonna use for the marinade for the chicken. And then a bunch of other stuff like, some ponzu, some sambal, garlic chili paste. So the serranos and the chili paste is optional. If you don't want the spice, you don't have to use it obviously, but I like it spicy. So I'm gonna get all this stuff prepped up for you guys. We're gonna go out to the griddle, so check it out. All right, so the first thing you should do is get some rice ready ahead of time. I'm using the Instapot. It's only gonna take 4 minutes in there and then you can let it sit. I'm using basmati rice. You can use a rice cooker also. Just do a 1-to-1 ratio of liquid to rice. Get that prepped up and set it off to the side. Then we got our chicken, like I said, using 2 pounds of the dark meat. I like using the dark meat because it doesn't dry out as easy. It's got a little more flavor to it. Just taking off any big chunks of fat, not trimming it up too much, not too worried about it. That's about all of the fat I took off right there. So we're just gonna cut it into strips, about 1/2 inch wide strips, just like that. Then I'm gonna coat the chicken with some vegetable oil. Just do enough just to coat it all around. I got the ponzu right here, which is basically a citrus-based soy sauce. If you want to use regular soy sauce, that's totally fine. Then we got a 1/2 cup of water, 1/2 cup of that ponzu. And then I'm mashing up some garlic. This is to your taste right here. I'm just gonna grate this in there. Using about 4 small cloves. And I'm peeling a little bit of ginger, just using a small knob of ginger just like that. A little bit of this goes a long way. So I'm gonna grate that in there. Then we got some honey. Just gonna do a big old fat drizzle, probably about a tablespoon, tablespoon and a half. Then I'm using some fish sauce right here. This stuff smells and tastes like shit by itself, but I'm using about 2 teaspoons. When you mix it in with the other ingredients, it's pretty good. Then I got the sambal chili paste right there, the garlic chili paste. Then we got 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and give it a mix. All right, so get your vegetables washed. Get your bell pepper, cut off the top like this. This is the easiest way I find to cut it. Just slice off the ends like this. Then you got all the seeds in there all clean, just throw it away. Cut it into thin strips. Got our serrano peppers and our scallions. Using about 2 peppers and a whole bunch of scallions right there. Then we got our snow peas. All right, so this whole stir fry is probably gonna take you less than 10 minutes on a really high heat on this griddle. I'm gonna cook the chicken about halfway before I put any veggies on. So we're just gonna give this a toss, mix it around a little bit, let it get cooked down. I got our veggies going on. I'm putting the rest of that marinade over the top. Gonna mix it all up. Then I'm just throwing the rice on right here. This is optional for you. If you want to mix it in with everything, go ahead and do that like I did. Some people like the rice separate. And I also got a can of water chestnuts to add a little bit of crunch along with all the other veggies. And we're adding our scallions on there. Then just give it a final kind of mix up. And that's basically it right there. And this is how I check for doneness on the chicken. I just slice it in a little piece in half and just check it like that. So we're good to go. I'm just gonna plate this up, take it on inside. All right guys, so there it is. The majority of the work was in the prep time. Like I said, it only took like less than 10 minutes to actually do it on the Blackstone at high heat. So you get a lot of that garlic and ginger in the marinade, a little bit of spiciness. It looked like a lot of peppers, but it wasn't really too spicy, I don't think. And the vegetables weren't overdone, so there's a little bit of crunch there. And that marinade gave enough flavor for everything on there, so you don't need to add anything else. So 2 pounds of chicken, and then whatever marinade you put in there, just pour it all over the Blackstone, and it's gonna get in there with all the rice and all the vegetables and stuff. And that's it. That's it. All right, so exact ingredients will be posted below. I want to thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.